generations, thousands of people have entered these dark pits, breathing poison, touching filth, risking their lives just to survive. Some never came back. Others carried scars for life. Society ignored them, but we called it work. But what if robots never came? Would we still send humans into danger? Would another father not return home? Would we still accept this as normal? Technology has given us a choice. A choice to replace suffering with safety. A choice to respect dignity over danger. A choice to ensure no one ever enters a manhole again.